2, 1, go!
And over on the Blue Alliance, Spartan Robotics are the first to deposit the cone that they started with, and they quickly rush back for 1 cube, placing that on the high row, and they get a third. It rolls out of the middle row, but it looks like it will score in a lower row, and they do make it onto their charging station as well. Red Alliance, meanwhile, they score 2 cubes of their own, 1 in the middle row and 1 in the lower row. They are starting to tally up at a bit of a score disadvantage, but they are well on their way, trying to make that up. And speaking of red, Robotics, they are back from the opposite substation with a cone, and although they had a glancing blow with Iron Claw, they're able to keep a hold of that cone and score it in the upper row for their Red Alliance. Blue, meanwhile, some more hard hits as they are over by the red side of the field. Both 971 and 972, that's Spartan Robotics and Iron Claw, both racing back from the substation with cones and almost in unison, placing those on the middle row of the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance has not yet earned a link, but they have many game places in the row, and they are well on their way. Over on the Red Alliance, meanwhile, seems like Crescent Wing Robotics, they have thrown some chain from the robot, so they might need to switch tactics. But there is still plenty of time left in the match, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Red Alliance is certainly not out of this match yet. We see Bot provoking for red. They have a cube with them, lining up next to Alliance partners Cardinal Robotics. Bot provoking places that cube in the upper row, and Cardinal Robotics getting a cone in the upper row. And with that, Red Alliance earns a big boost in score. However, with 45 seconds left to go, it is the Blue Alliance who is pulling ahead. Blue Alliance right now, they have 4 out of 4 links necessary to make the bonus ranking point, and they are not done yet. Spartan Robotics, they are back with another cube in that middle row. And their alliance partners, Iron Claw, who have been doing quite a bit of scoring of their own, they are back waiting patiently at their charging station with 20 seconds left to go. Red Alliance, meanwhile, here is the time for Qualification Robotics to shine. Looks like we have all 3 of our red robots trying to get up on the charging station, see if they can balance. They have 10 seconds to do so. Blue Alliance seems content with 2 robots engaged. Red, with just 3 seconds left, trying to get all of their robots up. It looks like they have earned some of the score that they were looking for there. 132 to 77. And in that match, the Blue Alliance took all 4 available ranking points. That keeps Team 971 in the first rank.